Hi there, my name is Samaira. I'm a law student at the University of Bristol, UK. And it's a privilege for me to share my awesome experience with MindScan education. Well, my journey with MindScan initially started when I was in high school. Totally lost as to what to do, where to apply. Else in the fact that I wanted to study in the UK, I was not sure about anything else. And truly, MindScan helped me navigate it all so smoothly. I never felt alone in the process, and not just like the SOPs or like the college applications. Once I got admissions, they helped me to apply for scholarships. Once I got the scholarships, they helped me to apply for the visa. Once I got the visa, they helped me to have a smooth journey. They told me everything I needed to know, and now I'm in Bristol, all settled in, and it honestly wouldn't have been possible without Ishmeet ma'am and Ipshita ma'am and Mandeep sir's support. It has been a great time with them, and I am so grateful to have such great counselors around me to support me through, which can be such a daunting experience. But if you're in high school planning to apply for abroad colleges, I think counseling makes the process so much easier, and it takes so much stress away. So again, a big thanks to the MindScan team. Bye bye.